How to fix HP printer error 0xC4EB827F in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem.
Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.
After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If the service is not running, double-click on Print Spooler to open Properties. Under Startup Type, select Automatic from the drop-down menu. Click Start, Apply, and OK.
Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
Type Services in Windows Search and hit Enter. Find the Print Spooler service in the list, right-click on it, and select Stop. Once the service has stopped, press the Windows key plus R. This should open the printers folder. Delete all files within this folder. After clearing the folder, go back to the Services window, find the Print Spooler service, right-click on it, and select Start.
if that didn't work,
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.